Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you a Virnig 96-inch V-blade for on a skid steer. So this V-blade made by Virnig is a really unique unit. It requires absolutely no electrical control whatsoever for the host machine that would be running this attachment. So it has what's called a timed valve in it. So it's going to allow the one wing to come out to go to the right side. Then it will go ahead and the next timing position will bring the wing out and give you a scoop. Then the next position will take and bring it back so you have left-hand power angle, and then the last one will bring it back into a V. These are an extremely nice blade. They do use a trip cutting edge setup, which is very, very nice. Fully replaceable and reversible cutting edges, which is a nice feature there. It does have your corners here, or your inner cutting edges. It does come with a spare set of those bolted to the unit. One other nice thing, we haven't fully set this unit up just for demonstration purposes today. They do give you an extra set of 90s here if you would need to change something as far as your hose plumbing. And then you can bolt your hoses once it's the proper length for the skid steer that it gets set up to. Very nice. Everything is greasable. The other nice thing that they do is this whole frame oscillates. So that's one big thing when manufacturers build snow plows they screw up on. We see it time and time again from stuff that we sell. They don't allow that to oscillate. And with a skid steer snow plow, the skid steer has no flex like a truck suspension. You need that to oscillate to allow, if you're going around, for example, a storage unit building where they've sloped the blacktop or the stone away, obviously to keep the water away from the building, that slope, if you're plowing out with that skid steer, you need that blade to be allowed to follow that contour. That's a big, big thing. So these are a very well built. And here's the thing you guys got to understand. Snow equipment built out in the Midwest, your Minnesota, South Dakota, up into Canada, that's all good stuff because they see a lot of snow. Stuff is built in the South, forget about it. It's an afterthought. That's my opinion. So we're going to fire up this S66 we have this on. They're talking about a big snowstorm here coming Sunday, so we thought we'd pop out a little video on the operation of this. I do have one of these available here in stock at the old pricing. We do have more units ordered coming in. The Virnig product line is a very, very nice product line. Now you're going to see here, we're going to go ahead, you're going to see that's going to make my right angle, okay? Now, it's going to go ahead and it's going to go to our scoop, okay? So now we're going to bring it back. That's going to go ahead and it's going to give us our left angle, okay? And we're going to bring it back again, and that is going to give us back to our V-box. So let's do that one more time. Heading out, that's going to be power angle to the right. We're going to go ahead and give us a scoop. Now we're going to go ahead and give us right angle. And we're going to go ahead and give us back to the V-blade position, okay? Very nice setup and how that works. We'll pick it up here. It does have adjustable skid shoes, but you can see in underneath here how everything is just very well, nice built, and you can see how that they made the cutting edge trip. Very, very nice setup there. It fits nice on the Bobcat here. We're going to run through the cycle one more time. We'll go ahead, bump him out again. We'll bring him back. And we'll bring him back. So guys, if you're looking for a skid steer V, what you can see here, that is allowed to oscillate, and it does even give you a little bit of play there. That's one big thing on a skid steer snowplow. You have to have give. We see guys all the time come in and they'll buy a quick attach plate and they're going to take a pickup truck plow and convert it to a skid steer. There's nothing wrong with doing that. But the problem is they weld them solid. Nothing gives. So something's going to give. So that's what we like about this. They actually have some play here because the mounting frame actually rides on a pin. So it allows it to give forward and back. You have your oscillation, you have your reversible cutting edges, which is very nice. And these are a very nice heavy-duty skid steer style bucket cutting edge, so it is going to wear a little longer than a lot of your cheap high-carbon steel edges that you do see on snow plows. Virnig really went to the bat on this a long time ago and built this particular plow, and what's nice is you have no further electronics needed, so that's something that's very, very nice. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. We keep some of the Virnig stuff in stock, such as trenchers, There's PWR 90 power rakes, excellent product. They're PUB 72s, PUB 84s, which are pickup brooms. Excellent product. We are going to be stocking in this spring some Virnig auger drives. And if you need another Virnig product, let us know. Gladly quote you, gladly get it in for you. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.